In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Outlook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. Now, for many of us, Copilot is a handy feature that helps with drafting emails, suggesting replies, and even organizing our inboxes. However, there may be times when you find it distracting, or simply prefer to have control over your writing without the AI suggestions. Whatever your reason may be, turning off Copilot is pretty straightforward. First, let's ensure that you're logged into your Outlook account. If you're on your desktop, just open up the Outlook application as you normally would. If you're using Outlook on the web, head over to your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, the next step is to look for the application settings. For the desktop app, you need to navigate to the File menu located at the very top left corner of your screen. Click on that. You'll then see a sidebar pop up on the left. Go ahead and click on Options. This will open a new window where you can adjust many of the settings for your Outlook experience. If you happen to be using the web version, look towards the top right corner of the screen for that gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, look for View All Outlook Settings, and click on that to open the settings menu. Now, on either version, desktop or web, you're looking for the section related to Copilot. In the desktop application, this might be directly located in the Options menu under a section called Mail. In the web version, you may find it under Compose and Reply Settings. Here's where things get interesting. You might need to scroll a bit to locate the Copilot feature. Once you find the setting for Copilot, it should be clearly labeled. You'll see an option that allows you to enable or disable it. If you're in the desktop application, you might see a checkbox next to Enable Copilot. Just uncheck that box. However, if you're on the web and see a toggle switch, simply switch it from the on position to the off position. Voila! You've made a great decision for a more focused writing space. Now, once you've managed to toggle or uncheck that option, the last thing you need to do is click OK in the desktop app to save your changes, or just exit out of the settings menu in the web version. After you've done this, it might be a good idea to close and reopen Outlook to ensure that the changes take effect properly. When you next open the application, you should notice that Copilot is no longer popping up with suggestions while you're composing your emails. It's important to note that the settings may vary slightly depending on updates from Microsoft, so if you don't see it in the exact location I mentioned, don't worry. Just take your time and explore the settings. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Copilot in Outlook. Now you can write without the AI assistance, if that's what you prefer. Just remember, you can always go back into settings anytime to enable it again if you change your mind. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and want more tips and tricks on using Outlook and other applications more effectively, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Comment down below if you have any questions about Outlook or if there's something else specific you would like to learn.